kind of will last.
This is my
this is the
squad.
next mission. Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah! Bless you!
I don't remember how to play this game.
No, it's okay. None of us do. We'll figure it out as we go. I have tears.
Let's try to find more heroes and stuff.
Right here.
I found
Molotov.
Molotov.
That's good, that's good.
Fuwamoco, stay still, stay
There's
still.
Molotov.
Okay, stay still. Stay still, Moco-chan. She might do a nice
Hey,
thing.
can somebody watch my way?
Let's take the pathway. Stay on the path.
Oh,
Weapons over here.
that looks like a witch. Or a
Bless
really can't tell.
you. Peace, Moco-chan.
Don't come near them. Don't come near them.
That looks like something else, no?
Well, you can get a Molotov, but it replaces that. You should be good with that, actually.
Bless you.
Don't go too far, dudes, in case you get
Okay.
kidnapped.
I think Moco-chan.
Loading.
I'm
Hold
not
up,
here.
yo. I'm gonna heal your ass.
Victor! He's spitting!
Reload.
Thank you.
And that,
Is Moco-chan at
How
400
icky.
sneezes yet? Oh, they're coming again, they're coming. Music.
What if we just kept moving? What if we just kept moving?
Good time, good time.
Yeah! Bless you!
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Oh, this way, this way.
This way? Lisa, what's going on there?
There's
What is
a
that?
porta potty.
Oh, is it
I need
safe?
porta potty,
Safe
can you?
room.